I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Alan Peter Cayetano, who was with us, and the honorable members of the House of Representatives, Executive Secretary Salvador Medjaldia, Senator Bongo, Senator Juan Miguel Subire, yes sir, Senator Francis Tolentino, Senator Ronald De La Rosa, members, Senate Committee on Sports, officials of the Philippine Sports Commission led by Mr. William Ramirez, our proud athletes and coaches of the 30th Southeast Asian Games, other invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Before I, well, this would, because medyo mahaba tayo kanina. Itong isang paa ko laylay na. Wala, kakasimplang ko lang sa motor. But, you know, sa harap ng mga athletes na grit and, walang sakit-sakit. Pero ako talaga kanina, mahimatay na ako po. You know, before I begin to read my speech, I'd like to just greet everybody. Thank you, everybody. Sa lahat ng any Filipino connected in the success story of the Asian Games. And we thank God. It was really a windfall. Alam mo, nung unang panahon sa England, lahat ng mga kahoy, lahat ng ang may-ari, ang mga mga duke, ang mga tao doon, wala silang makuha pati pang firewood nila during the winter. But sometimes may thunderstorm, mga kahoy na nababali, collapse, then para sa and the usual practice was para sa tao na yon. So they call it a windfall. Pasalamat yung mga slaves noon na merong windfall, malakas na hangin at maraming kahoy na putol. Dito sa atin, it was a windfall for the Philippines. And, you know, for the first time, I was really proud. Yung medyo kung sa amin athlete kami, wala man manalo, baski di nga ako nagka-bronze, baski tansan, wala. Tansan ng coke, wala. I am deeply honored to be in the presence of our athletes who have emerged victorious in the recently concluded 30th Southeast Asian Games held in our country. Your triumph showcases the athleticism and sporting prowess of our people to our neighbors in Southeast Asia. Alam mo, malaking bagay ito sa akin. Whenever we meet in the ASEAN, taas nungo ako. Kasi sabihin ko, wala may mga athletes ninyo, mahina man. The blood, sweat, ako pa naman na mayabang, blado. The blood, sweat, and tears that you have shed to earn this prestigious recognition is truly inspiring. I am really very happy to know, and Gusto kong sumigaw palagi sa bahay. Dito, pati sa Davao, nagtataka yung mga, ba't ito sumisigaw? Siguro naloko na sa trabaho niya. Diyan sa Malacca. Mahirap talaga. Ako, tanongin niyo ako, someday, could become politicians. Gusto niyo magtakbo ng presidente? Wag talaga. Wag. Wala kang... Basta ako, wag. Wala ka. Unless you want to steal and get rich and become overnight billionaire. But if it is only your patriotism, well, just like me, ang nagpaiwan sa akin is my love for country. And that's why I'm very strict about drugs, corruption, everything. No, pag-usapan na lang natin itong droga. Gutom na ba kayo? Magkasya yan pagkain natin dyan? Marami? Kaya mga cabinet member lang, bali tagdadalawang tao to. Ay, wag ko ang appetite ng atleta. Tignan mo si Iiso. The only reason why I am very almost brutal and cruel in my, well, in so many ways, is because I love this country. I love all of you. I want your generation, when you become the fathers and mothers, alam mo, kung magkaroon ka ng problema kagaya ngayon, ay anak ng... That's why I'm trying my very best na ubusin kong patayin itong mga putang inan to. Nakikinig man buong bayan, pero totoo talaga yan. Do not destroy my country. Do not destroy the youth of the land. Yun yung pag-asa namin. Ngayon, kung magsige kayo, sabwag dyan, sabwag is to tatapon. Paano? Saan kami magkuha ng ganito ngayon? Mabutit na marami pa ngayon. Baka balang araw ni isang event, wala na tayong mapanahon. Ang swimming siguro natin, baka malumos pa papunta doon sa finish line. You know, I am telling the drug lords, both aliens, foreigners, and Filipinos, do not do it because I will really kill you. Papatayin talaga ko. Yung human rights, hindi nila intindihan ang papel nila sa... For every dead carcass there na kriminal, tingnan mo naman kung ilan ang nasira na buhay niya. Iyon na, kinig na lang kayo, total. Ano lang, total, nandiyan naman, naghihintay naman. Pag ang tatay bumagsak, the entire family collapses. Hindi lang isa itong human rights, yung mga gonggong kayo, magkinig. Magkinig kayo. Itong mga, they are criminals, may kasalanan na, then you grieve with their blood. Hindi mo naman tinitignan na itong mga to, pag bumagsak ang tatay, wala ng pagkain, wala ng eskwela. At itong nanay, maglayas